students, this is Archana, your science teacher. So welcome back to our science class, and today's topic we will be going to study is rayon and nylon of the block synthetic fibers. Students, in our previous class we studied that what are the properties of synthetic fibers, and we know that natural fibers are expensive as they are obtained naturally from plants and animals. So they do not meet the demand of increasing population, thus they become expensive and people could not afford them. So the people, they are using synthetic fibers, and rayon and nylon are the examples of synthetic fibers. So first of all we study about the rayon, then we study about the nylon. Rayon is made from wood pulp, so it is not a completely synthetic fiber and it is called a regenerated fiber. Rayon को हम लोग completely synthetic fiber नहीं बोलते हैं क्योंकि ये किससे बना होता है, wood pulp से बना हुआ है. It is cheaper and more durable than cotton. It can be dyed into many colors. It dries faster than cotton and does not wrinkle like cotton. It can be dyed easily into many colors. It drapes well. It is soft and comfortable to wear. These are the properties of rayon fiber. Clear? And rayon is made by treating wood pulp with sodium hydroxide. रेयन कैसे बनता है? रेयन को हम फैक्ट्रीज में बनाते हैं विद अल्कालीज लाइक सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड और पोटेशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. क्लियर? इसीलिए रेयन को हम क्या बोलते हैं, इट ऑल्सो लुक्स और शाइन्स लाइक अ सिल्क, देन इट इज कॉल्ड अ आर्टिफिशियल सिल्क ऑल्सो. ठीक है. इट इज चीपर देन कॉटन. ये कॉटन की तरह रिजेंबल करता है क्योंकि ये वुड पल्प से बना हुआ है, और ये सिल्क की तरह बना हुआ है क्योंकि ये सिल्क की तरह शाइन करता है, तो इसको हम आर्टिफिशियल सिल्क भी बोलते हैं. इट मीन्स कि इसके अंदर सिल्क की और कॉटन दोनों की ही प्रॉपर्टीज आती हैं. दैट्स वाई इट इज नॉट कॉल्ड अ कंप्लीटली सिंथेटिक फाइबर. इसको हम रीजनरेटेड फाइबर बोलते हैं. अंडरस्टूड? एंड रेयन इज यूज्ड टू मेक एम्ब्रॉयडरी yarns, colored ribbons and fabrics for making dresses, sarees and sportswear. It is also used in bed sheets, carpets and bandages. Clear? Now next we study about the nylon. So nylon was the first synthetic fiber which is manufactured from coal, water and air. It was developed in the 1930s as an alternative to silk. It quickly becomes unavailable to civilian consumers because it was used in extensively during World War II to make parachutes, ropes and surgical sutures. Clear? ये कब सबसे पहले बनना स्टार्ट हुआ था? 1930s के अंदर. और ये किसके लिए बना था? इट इज अ अल्टरनेटिव टू सिल्क, और ये कॉमन लोगों के लिए नहीं अवेलेबल था. ये उस टाइम इसके कंज्यूमर्स कौन थे? वर्ल्ड वॉर 2 के अंदर नायलॉन यूज किया जाता था पैराशूट बनाने के लिए, रोप्स बनाने के लिए एंड सर्जिकल सल्चर्स बनाने के लिए. क्लियर? Now, what are the properties of nylon? It is light in weight. It has high tensile strength. It resists damage, so it is long lasting. It is highly elastic and it absorbs less water. आपने देखा होगा हम घर पे रस्सी जब लेके आते हैं, रोप्स बनाते हैं जिसमें हम कपड़े भी सुखाते हैं, या आप लोग जो रोप खेलने के लिए जो रोप यूज करते हो, दैट इज मेड बाय नायलॉन. क्लियर? नायलॉन इज यूज इन मेकिंग टेंट्स, jackets, ropes, socks, curtains, sleeping bags, school bags, raincoats, tent, suitcases, parachutes, strings in badminton and tennis rackets, also seat belts. Clear? So students, this is all about your topic. I hope you all are understood. Now we do our worksheet. So open your workbook and on page number 26, the first question is, which raw materials are required for making rayon and nylon? So as I told you that rayon is made by wood pulp and sodium hydroxide. Nylon is made from coal, water and air. Clear? And the second question, you have to state the property which makes the following possible to use. Rayon for making bandages. अब कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी यूज आती है यहाँ पे? As rayon is stronger than cotton and is more elastic, then it is used to making bandages. Clear? Nylon for making parachutes. So nylon is strong. Nylon for making socks. The property which is used in this, nylon is elastic, strong and does not wrinkle. That's why it is used to making socks. Clear? Rayon for making sarees. It is shiny and drapes well, so it is used to making sarees. Clear? And the last question of this worksheet, you have to write that how does the large scale production of nylon for its various uses impact the environment? So nylon is a synthetic fiber made from coal, which is a non-renewable resource. It is non-biodegradable, so it pollutes the soil more when thrown as waste, and if it is burned it produces harmful gases. नायलॉन क्या है? एक सिंथेटिक फाइबर है जो कि नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल एंड नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्स है, तो क्या करेगा? ये सॉइल को बहुत पूरी तरीके से पॉल्यूट कर देगा अगर इसको हम ऐसे ही फेंक देंगे। ठीक है, अगर हम इसको बर्न करते हैं तो ये हार्मफुल गैसेस प्रोड्यूस करेगा जो कि पॉल्यूशन कर देगा इन्वायरमेंट में। क्लियर? सो अगर बहुत ज्यादा हम यूज करते हैं सिंथेटिक फाइबर्स का तो एक एडवर्स इफेक्ट डालता है हमारे इन्वायरमेंट पे। Clear? So students, this is all about the topic. I hope you all are understand. Thank you and have a nice day.